Let's go over some of the top myths regarding J3016. These are not problems inside the standard, but rather misperceptions and incorrect statements about the standard that one often sees in discussion and even the press sometimes. The first myth is that ODD means geofencing. An operational design domain often is geographically restricted, but other factors such as lighting, day-night, weather, infrastructure failures, and so on are also part of the ODD, so there's much more to this than just geofencing. Another myth is that higher SAE J3016 levels are necessarily safer. Most importantly, 3016 is not a safety standard. And in particular, SAE levels 2 and 3 are quite problematic as defined because they require a human driver to supervise automation, and humans are not very good at doing this. Higher levels introduce more automation, but are not necessarily safer. And by the way, Level 2+ is meaningless. 3016 prohibits the use of fractional levels, so if you say you have a Level 2+, which makes it better than a Level 2 system, that doesn't actually mean anything. Another myth is that driver backs up the ADS object detection Level 3. People will say, well, it's a Level 3 system, but if something goes wrong, the driver's supposed to notice. That cannot be true, because Level 3, by definition, handles all object and events and plans responses to them. If a driver can be blamed for not intervening during the normal driving task, that is by definition a Level 2 system.